Put him on the ground. I'll take a picture of it. I'll send it to you. Just lay him on the ground real quick.
He's gonna be jumping.
He's a shrimp? Bro, where with this fish?
Oh, he got away. That's big. Go.
Dude, that bird is like, he's coming over. Like, what are you gonna do with that?
What are you gonna do? Yeah, you cannot eat it.
That's a big rock. Oh my god. That's a big rock.
Good job!
Not a grouper!
Wow, that's big!
Dude, I brought that shit out from the rocks, bro!
It looks like a Goliath.
Dude, I got... Hold on.
Holy shit!
Holy shit, that's the biggest fish I've ever caught, bro. Like, actual, like, salt.
Let me get the...
This is the grouper.
Nice. I'm filming.
Oh my god. Here, hold on. I'm gonna... Don't go. No. You gotta get a picture of it. Holy shit. Look at it. Look at it.
Good job.
This thing's got like some teeth, bro.
You like my spot?
Yeah, that's a great spot.
No, mine wasn't moving like yours.
Mine wasn't really moving. It was stuck under the rocks and I pulled them out.
Let me get my pliers real quick.
Yeah.
I don't want to kill him.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Dude, Aiden's gonna be so...
He's so...
Tell Aiden.
I told your mom you're gonna get something big.
Don't let him go yet. I'll try and be quick.
Yeah.
What kind of grouper is it?
I think it's a gag.
Gag grouper?
Yeah.
Fish is really big. That's all.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to give it some time. You got it? Wanna release it? Let's go for it.
Hey,
No, go. It's your fish.
how do I unleash?
Just open. Yeah, just put it there and open.
Good job, buddy.
You're happy? Say to the camera. Good job.
I cannot believe